Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to synchronize data from the server database to local database. Now, I will go to create 3 screen for registering a student, a list of students from the server database, and a list of a student from the local database. Now, we can create respective tables or entity in server and local databases. First, we need to create a student entity in the server database. Then import the student entity from the server database to the local database. I will import a custom column of data from the server entity to avoid data load in mobile device. Then go to the interface and select the server student list screen and drag the server student entity from the database. The same way we can drag the local student entity for the local student list screen. For student register, we need to add a form element and then drag the server student entity. Let's create a client action to add the student data to a server database. After the form validation, we need to add the create or update client action which is in an entity. Then, we can add the success dialog for this event. Type success message what you want and select a dialog type will be in success. Instead of end this action, we can redirect to the server students list screen. Then, go to the interface and select the server student list screen. Now, we can see the registered list of students here while navigating from Add Student screen. Now, we will add an icon for redirect to local students database screen to check the synchronization. Now, we can create a new client action while clicking the icon and navigate to the local student list screen. We can select respective screen for navigating instead of a new client. Let's add a refresh icon to synchronize the data from the server database. Before writing the sync logic, we need to generate client actions for offline sync. Just right client the local storage entity and select Create Sync Action option which is you need. Here I will select Read Only Sync Action for this video. Now, you can see that generated client action for the selected entity. Open the offline data sync action and add the generated client action. I will configure this offline sync will execute while the app get online state. You can assign the value is true based on your use case. Retry interval in seconds will execute every 30 seconds, we can update that duration if needed. Now, we can go to the manual sync client action which is created in the local student screen. Now, I will add local sync action from the logic tab in the manual sync client action. Then I will add refresh data action for reloading the database after sync is completed. Let's add a button to navigate to the student registration screen. Let's run the application and test it in the browser. Data synchronization is working fine. Next view, we can see read/write for data synchronization. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, thank you.